to Ultimate Taste Test Beverage Edition and Sour Challenge. What are we going to have today? It is Nature's Twist Lemonade Drink. Nature's Twist is a refreshing juice drink with big fruit flavor. It's caffeine-free, non-carbonated, and all 5 Nature's Twist flavors are available sugar-free. So give your thirst an unexpected twist. Give Twist a try. And of course, giving it a little bit of class today. And, oh, this smells like good lemonade. But let's find out. That is light, without carbonation, and refreshing. It has a very delightful taste of lemon, and it's not overpowering, and it's not too sweet. It is, as far as sour goes, a mere 4, but as far as flavor goes, that's a 10 out of 10. So, if you tried this before and you have a different opinion, put that in the comment section below. And of course, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know you liked it. If you're brand new to this channel and you love what you see, subscribe to my channel, become part of my YouTube family. And when you do, leave a comment down below, and if you have a channel, I will shout you out. And of course, if you wish to, you may write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.